say it very quietly. It's a car. Yeah. We're going to listen to some car sounds in a minute. What kind of different sounds do you think that cars make? It says beep beep, that's right. It says vroom, that's right. Yeah, beep beep. Sometimes it makes a long beep and says beep. Right, okay. Now everybody find your ears. Can you find your ears and turn them on? There's your ears. Yeah. Aiden's finding Papa's ears. Papa's ears turned on. Okay. Okay, we're going to listen to some car sounds now and talk about what we hear. What did you hear? Did you hear the beep beep? Okay, can you guys repeat after me and say beep beep? Beep 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 beep. Just try again. Beep beep. Very quiet beep beeps. And then sometimes you get your keys out and your keys go jiggle 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 jiggle, and then I like when cars say vroom. And then maybe somebody's in front of us and we say beep beep. Sometimes a lot of that happens in traffic. Okay, let's listen one more time, and maybe we can make the sounds along with it, okay? All right. Let's listen. Wait, sorry. So cool. Okay, we've listened to cars now. Let's see if we can be cars with our hands. Okay, the sign for car is this right here, just like you're driving a steering wheel. Can you guys drive your car? There you go. There you go. Okay, let's get up and start driving around the room a little bit. Can we get up and drive around? Okay, let's just start driving. I'm going to go this way. No. You want to drive with Mama? Come on. Oh, guys, in my way. Beep, beep. James, drive your car. James, drive your car. Oh, watch out. Uh-oh. Beep, beep. Oh, James is driving fast. Look at that. You're driving really fast. My goodness, you're going so fast. Okay. Okay, now let's see if we can drive up a hill. Can you drive up, 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 up? Now let's say this little car is driving up a hill. Up, 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 up. Okay, let's drive around. James. Okay. Now we're going to drive down the hill. Can you drive down? Let's go. This little car is driving down the hill. Down, 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 down. Let's see what's down here. Look, what do you see down here in the valley? Do you see other cars? Oh, James, you're going to like this one. Now this little car is driving round and round. Can you drive around and around? Come here, go drive around and around. Round and round and round. This little car is driving round and round. Round, 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 round. Oh, Sophie, you're going around in good circles. Now this little car is ready to stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. Stop. You think we can do that all together now? Let's get our cars ready. Get your cars ready. Oh, Nico's ready. Look at that. He's got a chauffeur. Okay. Oh, I like your steering wheel, Sophie. Okay. This little car is driving up a hill. Up, 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 down. This little car is driving down the hill. Down, 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 down. This little car is driving round and round. Come here. 2, 3, stop. Oh, fun. Okay, now Miss Kelly's little car is driving to the basket. Let's see what's in the basket. This little car is gonna get some shakers. Shakers, 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 shakers. Can you get 2 shakers? Can you get 2 for your mama? Thank you. Would you like a shaker? Can you get 1 for Papa? No. Can I get 1 more? Do you have children? Everybody, would you like some shakers? Hello. Come here. There we go. Hi. Thank you. Yeah, you can have 1 for each hand. Do you have some shakers? Everybody got all the shakers they need? Okay. Now let's try. You can sit down or stand up. That's fine. Either one. I'm going to shake up high. Can you shake up high? Up high. And now let's go down. All the way down more. Now up. So fun. Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to give you guys a minute to go ahead and play with the shakers. And parents, you can kind of just pay attention to what your kids are doing and build on it a little. Try to challenge them. And maybe try to work a little bit of up and down in there. We're just going to play for a minute. Yeah. Easy. You make your shaker go up. Can you go up high? What's up high? Where's up high? Up high. Down low. Okay, we're going to turn some music on and we're going to keep shaking with some music. Make your shaker go high. Here we go. And stop. Oh, good fun. Okay, now shakers away. Shakers away. Kelly, put